Hello guys, in this episode we are going to fix the one last thing remaining to get this car road legal, and that is rust. I have now fixed the e-brake and bulbs and brake lines and stuff like that, so now the one thing remaining is rust. And we start off, I have already taken the front fender off, as you see right here, and now you can see how bad the car is. It's got rust there and all the way underneath here. The main problem is this one. The fender covers here, but I'm still gonna remove all the rust here and do it yeah, it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna try to do my best. I do not know what this is, but yeah. So this is the fender off, and the other side is also not the best, so I don't know if I'm gonna remove that now or wait a little bit, but yeah. Now I'm gonna just try to remove the most of the rust, and then maybe we're gonna cut it and weld in some new steel plates or something. Okay, the plan was to do this proper and nice, but we figured out that we're not gonna do it very good.
We just want to drive!
Yes, we just want to drive, so we're gonna do it the fast way, and we have now welded on some steel, and we're now shaping it so it looks nice. And when we get the fender on, it will be better.
Better than it was.
Better than it was.
Yes.
We're using this high quality welder. And now you see, maybe, yeah, the hole is gone.
Yes.
Very nice.
Ah. Okay. Hey.
So I personally made some steel by my own. It's this part, so you can see.
It's this?
It's that. So you see here, yes, here I cut it. It was rust hole here. I cut it there, and now we can take the part on.
There.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, customization.
Andreas is metal artist. You just book him contact for films at
yes.
I don't know.
I fix.
Yes.
And there it's fixed.
Yes, let's go drive.
Let's take it to the controls. Controls. Well, very very nice. All you need is you need that 1 point of weld, and it's nice.
It's very nice.
This E36 is just like new again. Oh yeah. Hopefully this will fix the car, and this is the last thing. It's this side and the other side, but I think I will manage to fix the other side by myself. so maybe in a few days this car can actually be road legal and I can drive it every day. And soon it's manual as well, so that'll be very nice. As you see, it's automatic right now, so soon manual. So that'll be great to have this road legal and manual. Okay, welding, cutting and angle grinding and everything is all done, so now it's time for primer and then some rust stop stuff. Okay, time for this. It's some rust stuff, so we're gonna spray that on and hopefully that will prevent it from rusting again. Wow! Å, steike, den her var... Den var effektiv, ass. Veldig rar lakk. Okay, all done with taking on some of the rust paint. So now we are going to take the fender on again, so the car will look like normal again, and then we will say we are done for today. The other side also needs to be done, so I am going to do that some other day, I think, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But very soon I am going to ship this to a buddy of mine, so he will swap this into a manual. That'll be great. We actually used the whole day on this, but now one side of the channels, canals, whatever, of the rust spots is fixed. So you see here, I painted there as you saw, and I painted also back here, and so this is how it looks from the front. You remember it was, or I don't know if I filmed it, but it was like holes here. It looks pretty bad. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. So now it's just the other side and we are done. One thing that is very bad, I forgot to disconnect the battery while my brother was welding, so I really hope that the car starts. But yeah, hopefully I have my luck, because we have treated the car nicely. It should treat me nice back, but if some of you guys know what is the consequence of not unplugging the battery, maybe you know already what will happen, that it will not start, but yeah, let's just see. Okay, keys in, looks good. Oh fuck, it actually took a while. Okay, but everything seemed to be working. Lights are working, and yeah, I took out this. I was supposed to change this, but then I didn't have the time, so yes, perfect. And we can see the reflection of the sun telling us it's night time very soon. So now we're gonna drive the cabriolet home. I got maybe I'm gonna fix the door as well, because this door is very bad. So I got some new I actually got some new door covers, or what do you call, I don't know. So we're gonna maybe replace those. That'll be nice. And yeah, this car will shine pretty soon when it's road legal, and it's a manual, because now it's yeah, automatic. So it will be very nice very soon. So stay tuned for next episodes on when this is going to be a manual. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this episode. At least I did, because in this today we got one step closer to actually getting this car road legal. So yeah, hope you are having a great day. Can you gear? Okay, thank you. When the engine is cold, it takes really long time to change gear. Look how beautiful it is with the sun and everything. Yeah, so anyways, hoping you are having a great day. At least I did, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care, bye.